Hello foodies! Welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode we are going to bake basic bread using only 4 ingredients, which are all readily available in our kitchen. And this recipe is really simple. This is for beginner bread makers just like myself. So I decided to bake bread today because here at home we consume too much bread, and we know that bread nowadays is really getting expensive. So I thought, why not just bake my own bread here at home? And that is what we are going to do today. So without much further ado, let's get started. In a bowl, put 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, around 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we mix everything. Finally, we put in our 4th ingredient, which is water. And then we mix everything slowly to form our dough. As you can see, after some time, I used my hands to knead the dough inside the bowl. And if you experience some stickiness to it, just add a little flour on your dough, but not too much. It took me around 5 minutes to form a nice smooth dough. After we form our dough, the next step is to get a clean bowl, and we put some oil in it. And then we will place our dough in it, covered with plastic wrap. We will proof our dough for about 1.5 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. So here is my dough after 2 hours. As you can see, it really doubled in size. Now, let us transfer our dough to a clean, floured surface. We flatten it like so, and we divide it into 2, because we will have 2 loaves of bread. We roll each piece and form it into a sort of a log. Here, I have prepared my baking tray. I lined it with parchment paper. I dusted some flour on the paper, and then I placed the 2 loaves of bread. We let them rest for another 30 to 45 minutes, covered with a clean dish towel. While our loaves are resting, it's time to preheat our oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And for our final touches, we score our loaves. We put some slashes on top of our loaves. And into the oven they go for about 40 to 45 minutes. And here we have our finished product, and they look really good. So there you have it, our 4-ingredient basic homemade bread. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next. Bye!